Industrial sector and consumer goods. Umsaid Investment Holding, the two industrial consumer goods, you have Zad Holding, Qatar German Medical Company, Salam International, Baladna. Now, Umsaid Petrochemical Holding Company is one of the region's premier diversified petrochemical holding conglomerates. MPHC was incorporated as a Qatari joint stock company on May 29, 2013. The operations of the group joint ventures are independently managed by their respective boards of directors and senior management teams. MPHC operates through various joint ventures in two business segments: Petrochemicals, Core Alkali. Petrochemical business segment is comprised of two joint ventures, Qatar Chemical Company Limited and Qatar Chemical Company 2 Limited. Chlor Alkali segment comprised of a joint venture, Qatar Vinyl Company. Now price as it stands 1.906, EPS is 0.03, and price to book value is 1.906, dividend is 2.1%. Net profit 379 million, I should say, in comparison to last year, 57 million. Surge in revenue came from all three joint ventures in this quarter when compared to the previous year, close to 80%, and tax benefit, I should say, from joint ventures also improved the profitability. Earning per share is 0.03 as against last year 0.05. Cash dividend 0.04. Now, Investment Holding is the next company, was established in 2008 and has evolved into a holding group with diversified business activities that operates in different levels such as construction, contracting, specialized contracting, mechanical, electrical and plumbing, supply of buildings, materials, safety equipments, wooden products, firefighting systems and other related materials, in addition to food and consumable supplies. Now, price 1.093, EPS 0.1, and price to book value is 1.093. No dividend. A net profit of 8.1 million, last year 9.6 million. Despite the improvement in revenue by more than 9%, significant drop in other income contributing to drop in profitability. The board recommended no dividend for the last year. Zad Holding, established in 1969, company participates in management to affiliated companies including manufacturing and distributing fast-moving consumer goods, real estate management, contracting, logistics services, and production of asphalt and concrete. Zad Holding. Now, price 15.55, earning per share 0.18, and price to book value 2.59. Dividend is 4.5%. Net profit of 42.5 million. Even you can say 42.6 million in comparison to 45 million last year. Drop in operating revenue and income contributed to surge in to the profitability is at stake slightly. Now, earning per share 0.18, last year 0.19. The board recommend to AGM of 70% cash and 10% bonus shares for the year ending 2020. Qatar German Medical Company, QG Medical Services, is a leading manufacturer of medical devices in the Middle East, having a state-of-the-art production facility designed by reputable innovative technology providers from Germany, Switzerland and Italy. The company was established in 2000. The price 2.78, price to earning, again price to book value are all measurable. Price to book value is 10.23, and when it comes to dividend, no dividend last year 2020. Net profit of 473,000 comparison to a loss of 2.3 million previous year. The surge in revenue by more than 3.4 times contributed to improvement in profitability, and earning per share is 0.004 as against previous year 0.21. Salam International, founded in 1950, Salam International Investment Limited carries out all activities, commercial, industrial, educational, tourism and service projects in addition to the activities of financial investment companies. Now, price is 0.96, earning per share 0.01, and price to book value is 0.96. Now, net profit 11,497,000 comparison to net loss of 30 million previous year. Improvement in revenues contributed to improvement in operating profit, and drop in finance costs contributed to improvement in net profit when compared to the previous year. Earning per share amounted to 0.01, The board recommended no dividend last year. Baladna is Qatar's largest dairy and beverage manufacturer with its core purpose to deliver sustainable, self-sufficient food security in the state of Qatar. The company's ambition to be the preferred brand for natural, nutritious and delicious food and beverage products to be loved and respected by consumers in Qatar. The company products includes fresh milk, yogurt, Lebon, long life milk, cheese, lemonade, creams, desserts and juices. Price 1.6, earning per share 0.23 and the price to book value 1.6 and no dividend. Net profit 44 million comparison to the net profit of 39.6 for the first quarter, and marginal improvement in profitability despite drop in revenue due to drop in selling and general administrative expenses, and earning per share 0.023 is commendable in 2021. Last year was 0.23. So these are the developments in Qatar Exchange companies in the industrial side, and also we are seeing the value advantage in terms of the overall performance of various companies, including consumer goods and service companies.